definitely no stranger to both the channel, but also the EV community. I've got here James Coates from Cleevely EV. How's Cleevely been doing over the last few years?
From the mobile perspective, going really well. The garage is expanding and the EV sales is expanding. So basically every angle is going well. We have our workshop, which does a mix of internal combustion engine cars and electric vehicles. The electric vehicle side is growing. There was once a time when it was just a percent. I think it's now up to about 40%, maybe 50, so that's going well. We have EV sales, which is second-hand EVs. I sort of run the mobile side of the business, so looking after all the mobile guys that are dotted around the country. Got a guy up near Aberdeen, we've got a guy down near Edinburgh, Wales, Kent, Norfolk, and all the places in between. So we've pretty much got the UK covered now. And we're fixing and servicing electric vehicles as a main part of our business. That is the question you asked me, wasn't it? I completely forgot to answer. I think we at one point had a lead time of 6 months in the very early days. In some places, we've got that lead time down to about 3 weeks. You come to us saying, I need my car looking at, I need it servicing, I want it fixing. And we say, we'll see you in 5 months, 6 months is not acceptable. But 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I think is. I think most people are thinking about it with a month sort of in their head. In some circumstances, we can get to you a little bit quicker. If you're really desperate, we can sometimes juggle things around. But for the most part, 3-4 weeks.
Now, there is one question I would like to ask you.
Okay, I feel like this could be a tricky one.
If anyone hasn't already watched it, James did a brilliant video on how the MG5 is doing, a proper workhorse vehicle, really. I have also done a review on the channel as well, if you want to go have a look at that. But how are they doing?
They're doing exceptionally well. Largely, I can say that we built a business off the back of that vehicle. Well, one, for reliability, the initial purchase price, it's an estate vehicle, so we're able to carry more equipment and tools. Overwhelmingly, the not having any downtime has meant we can just use them and use them and use them, and they never don't work. We've had a few issues. Shock absorbers are quite common, broken springs, but nothing that's ever stopped a vehicle from working. Never have we got one day where a guy couldn't come to work because the car wouldn't work. That's never happened. And combined, they've done 1.5 million miles between them. So yeah, so we're quite pleased. We've got 14 of them remaining at the moment. So this is the Vivaro. We've got a few variants. It's the same van with a different name. We've got 5 of these now. And the reason we've started putting these on is we need to carry more parts, we need more tooling. And that's really for the customer, that if we come to you and say your car needs this, it's really good if we've got the bit and we can fix it there and then, instead of saying we'll be back in a month. We're trying to make ourselves more efficient. We're trying to make the customer experience better. The MGs just can't carry as much equipment, so that's the only reason that they'll eventually be moved out of the business. Apart from that, they're perfect. I've got a lot of good stuff to say about the MGs. So the only reason we're with these now is for carrying weight and parts.
I think the other thing I should mention is they are completely independent of dealer networks. So the idea is, you know, it was probably one of the first independent EV specialists, which is just a great thing to have, you know, independent dealers.
Yeah.
Where can we find you?
You can find us at www.cleeveleymobile.co.uk, but generally just write Cleevely in a search engine and it'll bring us up. It's that easy.
Awesome, good stuff. And I definitely need to book in a service at some point. So
excellent. We can do that now.
Yeah, I'm going to be doing that right now. So thank you so much, James, talking about
No worries.
Cleevely.
Good to see you. Thanks for having us. All right.
Excellent. Thank you very much.